And today we will check Smartmi A1 VortexWave. You need one of these in your home, so please stay with me until the end of this video. Smartmi is one of Xiaomi ecosystem brands and it's very well known for their quality and innovation. And AI VortexWave is the first robot in the market that can clean, dry and wet dirt. And if you are interested in this model, don't forget to check the link in the description. It will have all the information you need. In this picture, it's easy to see how it works. It has a separate tank for clean and dirty water. Very convenient for any situation. And after it finishes to clean, it will self-clean and dry the road to prevent from molding and accumulate bacteria. In this way, it can avoid some health problems. This cleaning robot is perfect for those who have kids, pets, or they are lazy like me. And we will make a real test, but first let me show what comes inside the box. This is the Smartmi A1 Vortex box. I'm sorry the box is too big, so my camera is in a strange position to fit everything. Let's open it. On the box side has a photo showing Smartmi A1 working, and it has 1600 RPM. It will make a good job on your floor. In this picture we can see the inner of the machine. Since we will not be able to show this part, we can check how the water flows when it's working. The tank capacity is big. You can fill it with 306 ml of clean water and 600 ml for the dirty water. They will not mix, so you don't need to worry about making a mess on your floor. They include a manual and a card with all the information you need to contact them. They also include a very cute sticker to make it more stylish and protected. And this is the base. Your Smartmi A1 will stop here to charge and make the self-clean. They also include a spare tank cover and a spare filter. In my box has a plug adapter, but I'm not sure if it will be included or not. And here is the docking to charge our Smartmi A1. On the top has a cover. Later I will show what is inside. On the back you can find a small cover to hide any left cable. And here on the bottom there are some rubber avoiding the docking move when your robot is returning to charge. And finally, our robot. The design is minimalist and elegant. The material looks expensive and resistant. On the top is located the radar and the power and home button. On the back, charging connectors and one sensor. On the front part, another sensor, and they installed some rubber to avoid damage or scratch the plastic. I really like the thing about it. On the bottom, there is two wheels to make it move forward and backwards and two small wheels to direct it. And a roll with a very absorbent material, it will clean all the dirt on your floor. And beside it has a rubber. It will stop all the liquid to be sucked and your floor will be dry after the clean. You can open the top and you will find the water tank. The clean and dirty water tank are separate. The cover that comes inside the robot is different from that in the box. This one is the one already installed. It has a small part and it cannot be found in this one. This one you can use when you decide to do only the dry clean. But I'm sure most people will buy Smartmi A1 to clean in any kind of situation, so just keep using this one. To install and make it work is very simple. You just need to scan the QR code on the menu and then enter in my app and follow the steps. First, press and hold the power and home button. The light will flash and you will hear a sound indicating it's waiting to pair. And you just follow the indicated steps, and if you do everything correct, it will connect to your internet network. On the app, you can choose silent, standard or high intensity. The high intensity is good for you to use, for example, when you want to clean the dog pee, or maybe if somebody drop any ice cream or juice on the floor. It has 4000 PA suction power, so it will make a good clean in most of the situation. Still in the app, you can pause it or you can make it return to dock to charge and make the self-clean. You can also choose to clean one specific spot, or you can choose a zone to be clean. You can draw a zone, you can enlarge and make it smaller, or even turn it to select the correct zone. Or you can choose an area. It will say not selected area, but if you click on the room number 1, it will only clean that room. But if you need to clean everything, just press the start button and it will be fine. So now let's try it. Smartmi A1 will clean and dry in the same time. You can use a paper after the cleaning and it will be dry. In this compartment you can find an extra roll, a cleaning tool, and it's very useful especially to cut and remove the hair stuck around the roll. And they also include a small brush to wash the tank. If you click on the 3 small dots on your app, you can set many things. For example, you can have a very detailed clean history, or you can set the day and time to make it work. You can also set the G&G time to make sure it will not disturb your resting. You can turn on and off the Smartmi voice and adjust the volume. It's better you just keep on, but if you think it's too annoying, you can lower the sound to be able to hear the notification. You can also select the place to not be clean. For example, you can build a virtual wall or draw a forbidden area too. And the most important thing, you can set an area to not clean with water. This is very good if you have a carpet in your home and you don't want to use water on it. There is a part you can also check when you need to replace the parts, and they include a remote control. It's easy to control and it will be easier for you to clean some specific area. Here you can press to find your robot in any case you lost it. And in this down part, you will not use it much, but it's good to know you still have some more options. For dust and grains, it will make a very good job. For thin leaks like water, tea, Coke, it will clean very properly in only one time. Now let's talk about situation with some powders like flour. Flour, when you mix with water, it will become sticky. In this case, it's better you set to clean twice that spot, or else will remain some flour on your floor. Thick liquids like ketchup is also better for you to set it to clean the spot twice. As you can see, it will make a good job in the first time, but will remain a certain smell. And if the quantity is too much, some ketchup will accumulate in one part of the robot, and sometimes it will make the floor dirty when it turns. Then I was in doubt if it can clean the corners. Most of the robots in the market cannot clean the corners very well, especially when they use the mop. They need to leave some gap to not damage itself. I put some grains near the wall and all the grains in front of Smartmi A1 was collected, but it still remains some grains near the wall. I tried to clean a second time and it removed a little more, but it's still not perfect. For the liquids, the same thing. It can clean all the liquids in front of the robot, but not the liquids in the corner. And let's be honest, you just need to make Smartmi A1 VortexWave to do the heavy job, and after that you just clean the corners with some mop. It's a very good deal, right? Please let me know what you think about it, and if you want one of these products, the link will be in the description, and who buying the campaign can get a very good discount. And if you like my content, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye!